Hello, today you're looking at a Dayton blower brought to you by Lanco Corporation. This is a model 2C799A. This is a 1.5 horse unit, 234/60 3-phase, 19.5 inch inlet. Outlet is 19.5 by 14.25. RPM is 1410 on this unit. 325 pounds. It's a belt drive, single inlet, forward curve blower. It's a 1.5 horsepower drive package with weatherproof drive cover and an 18.25 wheel diameter. We'll now put power to it for you. As you can see, the unit runs very well. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco Corporation at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.